Hi, I'm Mr. C in my first grade classroom at Ashley Elementary in Denver, Colorado. I'm here today to introduce to you one of the newest, most innovative evolutions in classroom whiteboard technology. A product that's revolutionized my class and changed the way that collaboration happens in this very classroom. Without further ado, please, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for mcSquares!
I love that guy. Mr. C is awesome. Hi, my name is Anthony Franco. I'm the CEO and founder of mcSquares. We make products that help people collaborate. In fact, we've discovered the secret that makes meetings more productive and classrooms more engaging. And that secret is this little square whiteboard. Now, I can almost feel the skepticism in the room. Maybe you guys are tuning out. Let me tune you back in with some market traction. This is our first full calendar year in market, and we're going to do $1 million in revenue, selling nearly 30,000 mcSquares. And we have a product roadmap that's going to make us a leader in a $10 billion industry. But I'm going to get to that in a second. First, I want to tell you about mcSquares as they exist today. mcSquares are handheld whiteboards that easily snap together on a wall to create larger collaborative whiteboards. They're infinitely flexible from cubicle to conference room to campus. They turn meetings from boring and mindless into group brainstorming where a person can individually contribute in a team environment and then capture the meeting results using our iPhone app. They turn classrooms from old school front of the classroom lectures into team participatory learning. And they turn isolated lesson plans into kinesthetic collaborative classrooms. These things are incredible to see in action. They completely energize a room. And our little square whiteboards are already replacing $10,000 interactive display installations that are just collecting dust anyhow. But mostly what I want you to know is this. People love our product. We have passionate evangelists like Mr. C as our customers. And that love and passion is translating into real growth. Last year, we did about $50K in revenue. Last month, we did about $50K in revenue. And again, this year, we're going to do about $1 million. That data... Thanks, Mom. The data behind the numbers are really interesting. What we're seeing is, on average, customers are buying 57 units per order at a 30% reorder rate. What this means is that people are buying 1 or 2 mcSquares, and companies like Google, Boeing, and DaVita are buying hundreds. And our customer base is wildly diverse, from consumers to public sector, small business and enterprise, homemakers to project managers, teachers to CEOs, and we're just getting started. But before I talk about our future, there's an important feature about mcSquares that I want to share with you. They have what we call drawing guides. Think of these as creative frameworks that guide discussions and learning. We built this feature in with an eye towards the future. For higher-end customers, we're going to replace those paper drawing guides with an internet-connected display. It's just the right touch of tech to allow people to collaborate on content using a medium they're already most comfortable with. This subtle addition of technology has incredible potential. It reconciles the need for digital collaboration and the analog in-person way we all like to work. For investors out there, I know you're thinking hardware is hard, and you're right, hardware is really hard. We've already mitigated a lot of risk on mcSquares Digital. We have working prototypes today of mcSquares Digital, and we're on track to release mcSquares Digital inside of 14 months. So now you know what we're passionate about, where we are, and more importantly, where we're going. Let's talk a little bit about the business of mcSquares. Our business model is really simple. We're going to sell hardware to education and business, support that hardware with subscription-based software, and opened up the platform to developers for a fee. So popular collaboration apps like Evernote and Trello will be able to send content into an mcSquares system. And that mcSquares system is built not only to manage content into mcSquares, but to any internet-connected device. So we've built a collaboration platform that has some really cool companion hardware. And it's all protected by patents researched and authored by Sheridan Ross. We also have a great team to allow us to realize this. In fact, we have the experience and expertise in-house today to run a fiscally responsible business, design groundbreaking products, manufacture and bring those products to market, most importantly, to sell the shit out of these things. I've had 4 other founding companies in the tech space, all of them with pretty good exits. Those were definitely team wins, and this by far is the best team I've ever assembled. I also have quite a bit of my own money already invested in mcSquares. Here's why. This is my personal investment checklist. First of all, it's a really simple product, easy to understand, really easy to sell. We have optionality in markets, channels, and customers. We have sticky monthly recurring revenue with mcSquares Digital, defensible IP. We're entering a large market with no clear leaders and some really great exits. In fact, the exits in the markets we play in range anywhere from $40 to $680 million. These are huge numbers in a space that is being completely overlooked by most investors. Our humble beginnings, this little square whiteboard, as our Trojan horse to claim leadership of that space. We believe our products will be in every meeting space around the world. And who knows, maybe even beyond. Once again, I'm Anthony Franco, we're mcSquares. Thank you very much. Thank you.